First of all, draw a circle. Then draw a second circle to make the border. Then curve the inner corners. Now draw a ureter and some blood vessels. Now draw a structure like a cornflakes all around the border. And remember one thing, you can always make changes to your diagram, just trust the process. Now we will draw a cup-like structure to make minor calyx of the kidney. And here I am making some changes to make it look presentable. Now draw branches of both blood vessels and connect it with each pyramid. Just like that. Now we will highlight the border of our kidney. And then we will color it as dark as heart of some people. Now we will make some changes to make the kidney shape because it's not circular. Darken the corner of each pyramid to give it illusion of a blood vessels reaching each and every corner of pyramid. And then fill it with some stripes to give it some dimensions. Now we will fill our blood vessels with stripes to make it more prominent. Just like that. Now double the border of minor calyx and fill it with dark color. And in the last we will color our ureter. There is nothing a finger can't fix. And in the last but not least step we will label our diagram. And sorry about the name you can't see right now, but at the end you will able to know them. And tada, our kidney is ready.